Hey guys, Giselle here. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm in the same outfit from the previous video. Don't try me. So today's video is going to be something completely different. It has nothing to do with YouTube. It has to do with like my actual job, like what I actually do for a living. So if you guys don't know, which I don't talk about it often here, but if you guys don't know or not aware, I am a graphic and web designer by trade, I guess. That is what I went to school for, and that is what I do currently in my corporate job. I am a government contracted web designer. Yes, you heard the word government. So this government shutdown is going on right now. I'm not with it. I'm not with it. But yeah, with all that being said, I do freelance graphic and web design. I started about last year, or not last year, in 2017. So I've been doing that just as a side hustle, get some little extra money here and there aside from my actual job with the government. So I say this to say that I launched a website. I launched my very own personal website. I haven't had a personal portfolio in a while since I graduated college, just because I didn't have time to work on myself, to focus on myself. I've been kind of just go. I got my job about 4 months post-grad, and then I started taking on freelance projects, and so all of that together took a lot. I was also in like a kind of startup design company. That took a lot of time too. So all that put together, I didn't have time to focus on myself. That's also when I was still trying to do YouTube, but like I said, I didn't have time for myself. I didn't have time to commit to that type of stuff. So yeah, I am so happy to finally be able to have my own website. I also made a separate design Instagram page. Yeah, I finally was able to put together all of these separate channels to share my artwork, share my designs with the world. My freelancing was really by word of mouth, people that just knew what I did, and thankfully I have had so many great clients and also friends that are also entrepreneurs that have their own businesses going on, or just need graphics or something like that, just need my services. And I'm so grateful to all of you, if you're watching this, all of you who have chosen me to help you with those projects that you did have. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys, another part of my life that I don't really talk about here on YouTube, but right now, I really want to just really get the word out that I am a graphic and web designer. I am available for freelance. I'm really trying, one of my goals for this year is to really focus on freelancing and hopefully build it to be a major source of income. Maybe not to the point where I can quit my real job, but so it supplements maybe like about the same or even half of what my real job gives me. That would be amazing. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys know of anybody, or if you guys are in any need of any services that I can provide for you, please let me know. I would be so happy to help you out in your creative journey and bring your vision to life. I will list all of my details down below as far as my website, where you can get information on pricing, where you can see all of my other stuff on my Instagram and things like that. And just help a girl out. This government shutdown, y'all, this is like, I like my job. I've said from time to time, like I work from home. Like I like my job. It has its ups and downs as far as like, just working from home. It gets boring sometimes, but overall I like my job. But the one thing that I don't like about my job is that I'm affected by that guy. So when things like this happen, like I'm trying to take myself out of the picture, because I consider myself lucky in a sense where like I'm contracted. So, my company already had like the budget and stuff like that. I'm not getting paid the same amount because I can't work the hours. There's not a lot of work to do. But there's some people that aren't getting paid at all. There's some people that they might get evicted from their homes because it's public housing and the government isn't paying for it. Y'all have been hearing about like TSA workers. Like I have a flight today, so I'm nervous of going to the airport because I know TSA is going to be crazy. I know they don't want to be there, and I feel for them. I feel so bad. So I consider myself a little lucky, but I am affected. I am one of the affected from the government shutdown. So y'all just pray for me. Just pray for me that that this man can just, oh my God, he can just figure it out, because it's way bigger than him. And it's like, it's just so many people are affected. So many people can't work. And it's just really sad. So I'm really trying to get my freelancing out there and on and popping, so I can make some money while my other money is on pause. You know, it's real sad. But anyway, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I didn't ramble too much, and I hope you guys appreciate this video. I am really grateful to be able to share this news with you guys, and I would appreciate any love and support you can send my way. And until next time, I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.